Hello South Africa. Thunderstorms, veld fires and strong winds expected in parts of South Africa on Friday. Severe thunderstorms, veld fires, and strong winds are expected in parts of South Africa on Friday. The SA Weather Service, SAWS, issued a Level 2 warning for severe thunderstorms for Friday. Localized flooding of susceptible roads, low-lying areas, and bridges. Localized damage to infrastructure, settlements, formal and informal, property, livelihood, vehicles, and livestock due to hail. Localized communication disruption. SAWS. The following areas will be affected by the severe thunderstorms: Metsimaholo, Sasolburg, Mafube, Frankfurt, Fumalila, Warden, Maluti-Afolfang and Van Reenen. Meanwhile, veld fire warnings were also issued for Friday in these areas: Kogiseno/Malopo/Tosca, Joe Morolong/Hotezel, David Kruppe, Upington/Upington, Sansabane/Postum Asperg, Giesiganona/Kuruman, Katilopil/Daniel Squill, Kai, Garib/Ogribis Falls, Syankumas/Griquastad, Thembelisle/Hopetown, Sayathemba/Prieska, K/Groblershoop, Mohokere/Oliwal North and Mamosa/Schweizerinique. Under these conditions, fires may develop and spread rapidly, damaging property and possibly losing human and animal life. It advised that fire teams should be on standby. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.